Hi guys, welcome back to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel. Today we are talking about how to use empathy effectively in the OET speaking test. So many candidates lose mark not because of their English but because they answer questions without acknowledging the patient's feelings. Here's a simple formula to remember: empathy, reassurance, then information. For example, instead of saying, the surgery will take 1 hour, say, I understand why you are feeling worried. Let me explain what will happen during the procedure. Also, remember to match your empathy to the situation. Use gentle reassurance for minor concerns and stronger empathy when a patient is facing serious or emotional news. Remember, the OET examiners want to hear that you can build trust, communicate professionally, and make patients feel heard. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel for more OET tips and guidance. See you in the next video. Bye bye.